Bird, bird, fly, fly. Open is for you the sky, sky. Bird, bird, fly, fly. Open is for you sky, sky. Kids, children, students, pupils, if you like these rhymes, please like, comment, subscribe, and share them amongst your friends. Birds have ability to fly without taking the help of any machine or artificial things. God has given them wings to fly, to soar high in the sky. Looking at them, sometimes we also feel envy of them. That's why birds have got the best gift from nature, that of flying. Birds' flight is very, very interesting. They don't take money to travel anywhere, somewhere. They can travel, they can fly freely anywhere. Just within a few minutes, they can cross so many meters and kilometers. Their speed is not less. May the bird be smaller or bigger, its speed of flying is very fast, very swift. Viewers, if you like this video, please like, subscribe, share, and comment. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye bye.